This case opens with a serious charge, driving while intoxicated, but what unfolds is far more disturbing than a routine DUI hearing. We're talking about a crash, an alleged hit on a cyclist, and then, shockingly, an assault on the same victim before the driver leaves the scene. The stakes here are massive, not just jail time and fines, but potential escalation into violent criminal conduct. Pay close attention because this hearing is going to hinge on one critical issue: evidence. No victim, no clear timeline, and a defense already poking holes. The question is, can the prosecution actually prove what happened, or is this case about to fall apart in real time?
Mr. Carruthers, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 2nd, 2024, officers were dispatched regarding a major crash in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officers made contact with the wheel witness. The witness observed the defendant's 2005 gold Chevy strike an unknown person riding a bike with his vehicle.
Whoa.
Bike, yes, Your Honor.
Struck a person?
Riding a bike, yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The defendant then got out of his vehicle and began assaulting the unknown person and then drove away from the scene.
Whoa. You're telling me he strikes someone in a car and then on top of it starts assaulting this person?
Yes, Your Honor. The unknown person fled the scene, and the defendant was promptly found by officers 1 block away in a private driveway. That was not the defendant's residence. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer observed an odor of an alcoholic beverage, slurred speech, and poor balance. The defendant was detained. He refused SFSTs. The DIC was read. The defendant refused to provide a specimen. A blood search warrant was signed and executed. He was identified by his Texas driver's license.
Right here is where the case starts to unravel. The defense is raising a fundamental legal challenge. Without the victim present, how do we verify the sequence of events? This isn't just a minor gap, it's a structural weakness. In DUI-related offenses, especially those involving injury, timing is everything. The defense is essentially arguing that there's no way to rule out post-incident alcohol consumption. That creates reasonable doubt about intoxication at the time of the crash. Also notice the emphasis on the missing cyclist. This removes a key eyewitness and potential complainant. So now the court is left relying heavily on officer observations and circumstantial evidence. Let me ask you, do you think that's enough to hold up in court, or is this already slipping beyond recovery?
I had just so many problems with this.
So, Judge, we have been unable to locate the unknown person that was on the bicycle. He fled because he was getting assaulted. We have no way of finding him.
Not only that, how do I know he's not consuming anything after the fact? How do we know he doesn't go home and chug a fifth of vodka?
The DIMS does say he was promptly found by the officers 1 block away.
I get it. Yeah, I get it. Promptly is a conclusory word.
I'm pulling up the OR right now, Judge, to see if they have anything more specific.
Can I say something now?
Don't, Mr. Carruthers. Don't. Are you losing? Are you losing?
No.
Then stop. Anything else? Was that it?
Looking at times, Your Honor, to see if we can establish when he was found based on when he was dispatched. I don't think we have anything additional, Your Honor.
It says, yeah.
Mr. Carruthers, I'm going to find no probable cause on your case.
What we
No.
just witnessed is a textbook example of how critical evidence gaps can completely shift the outcome of a case. Despite serious allegations, hit and run, assault, and intoxication, the judge ultimately finds no probable cause. That means the prosecution failed to establish a sufficient legal basis to move forward at this stage. The missing victim, unclear timeline, and inability to conclusively tie intoxication to the moment of the incident all contributed to that decision. But notice the judge's warning. It's not just about legality, it's about public safety. The message is clear: don't gamble with lives. This case may be dismissed for now, but the behavior described carries real-world consequences that go far beyond the courtroom. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
You know, we have enough death. We have enough dismemberment. We have enough blood all over our streets. Please don't add to it. Please just don't kill someone. That's all I'm asking you to do, man. You know, $40. An Uber will take you anywhere you want to go in this county. Anywhere. Please don't kill someone.